And in a major concession from Democrats, the funding bill does not include an extension for health care subsidies. Nearly 600,000 Ohioans received coverage through the Affordable Care Act subsidies last year. Kiara Lake with our sister station in Columbus has more on the possible impacts.
Woke up pissed off and said, let's hold a protest.
Heather Graham of Reynoldsburg is angry. Her message: Senate Democrats should stand firm on health care.
Absolutely, hold the line. Healthcare is a human right. I believe that. I think that most Americans agree with that. We elected our Senate to stand for us on those rights, and they have failed us today.
Graham is a U.S. Army veteran, but she doesn't have health insurance through the VA.
I didn't qualify for it, so I was going to be shopping around for health insurance this year. Can't afford it, and I think a lot of people are going to be in the same boat.
The Kaiser Family Foundation says up to 22 million Americans could see premiums more than double if Affordable Care Act subsidies expire, like the nearly 600,000 Ohioans who used the marketplace last year. And the Health Policy Institute of Ohio estimates 140,000 Ohioans could drop their coverage entirely without the credits to offset the cost.
Whether it's veterans, whether it's people who are on that income spectrum where you don't qualify for Medicaid, they've got to do better for us. We deserve health care.
Graham, frustrated that Senate Democrats struck a deal to end the shutdown, while the fate of those subsidies remains uncertain.
We want the shutdown to end. I do understand the concern of Americans with SNAP benefits and feeding Americans. It doesn't have to be a hard line. Trump is acting like there's this hard line where we can't feed Americans while enabling us to have health care. We can do both.
Ohio's Republican Senators Bernie Moreno and John Husted voted to end the shutdown, but haven't said if they'll support extending the subsidies.
What I don't like about them is that they go directly to the insurance companies rather than to the consumer. And I would favor a plan that was more consumer driven, that helped get money to the consumer rather than to the insurance company. I hope that we can craft something that looks like that.
Former Senator Sherrod Brown, running against Husted in 2026, says he would have voted no until Republicans agreed to protect those subsidies.
I would have fought to make sure that insurance rates are stabilized, that people don't see a doubling and a tripling of their insurance.
Graham, in the meantime, says she'll keep speaking up.
We understand what this is costing people.